Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone guys icon style update setting, how to change icon style on Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to change your phone icon style, icon size. Friends, you want to change, you want to increase. So friends, how to increase one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about icon size update setting in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Oppo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. So friends, click your Oppo mobile, personalize setting, and friends you can check wallpaper. Friends, you want to change wallpaper, you can change wallpaper. You want to set live wallpaper, so select your live wallpaper and you can set. Friends, click your icon style setting, and when first of all you want to change your icon style, so you can change from here. And you want to use this circle style, you can change. And when you want to set default icon style, so you can change also, and you can set into default. Friends, click your custom. If you click your custom, you can select your custom icon style on your device. So friends, I will use this pebble. And friends, icon size, friends, you want to change, you want to increase, so right side you can increase and left side you can decrease your icon size. And friends, icon name, you want to change this icon name, so you can change from here. Size, icon name size, friends, you want to change, so you can change. Done, come back. Friends, you can check icon size and icon style will change on Oppo mobile. So friends, we have new icon style and new icon size. So like that friends, you can change your icon style, you can change your icon size on your Oppo mobile from here, and you can customize from here. Friends, you want to change app layout, so you can change app layout from here. Font and display size, you want to change, you can change your font and display size from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.